Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you stood in line, or waited for an elevator, or sat in traffic, and just did nothing? No phone, no podcast, no distractions, just you and your own thoughts. If you're like most of us, that memory is fuzzy. We live in an age where boredom is treated like a disease. The second we feel a gap in stimulation, we reach for a screen to cure it. It feels harmless, just a way to kill time. But neuroscience suggests we aren't just killing time. We might be killing our ability to think clearly. We often assume that scrolling is relaxing, but look closer. Is your brain actually resting, or is it processing a rapid-fire stream of context switching? To understand why this matters, we have to look at the brain's default mode network. This is a network of brain regions that activates only when you aren't focused on a specific task. It's what turns on when you are daydreaming, zoning out, or doing the dishes. For a long time, scientists thought this was just the brain idling, but they were wrong. The default mode network is actually the brain's wisdom center. It's where we connect disparate ideas, process complex emotions, and consolidate memories. It is the birthplace of creativity and self-reflection. But here is the catch. The default mode network needs quiet to switch on. Every time you pull out your phone to fill a micro moment of boredom, you are forcing your brain out of default mode and into executive function. You are jamming the signal. We are terrified of being alone with our thoughts, so we drown them out. And in doing so, we lose the very thing we are searching for: insight. This is the overlooked wisdom of our ancestors. They didn't have profound thoughts because they were smarter than us. They had profound thoughts because they had the space to think them. They allowed themselves to be bored. So, here is the challenge to conventional thinking. Boredom isn't a problem to be solved. It is a necessary nutrient for a healthy mind. Neuroscience shows that if you want to reclaim your attention, you have to retrain your tolerance for low stimulation. Next time you feel that itch, that reflexive urge to unlock your phone because you have 30 seconds of downtime, don't do it. Feel the discomfort. Sit with it. That discomfort is simply your dopamine receptors, readjusting. If you can reclaim those quiet moments, you reclaim your ability to process the world on your own terms. Relearn the art of doing nothing, and you might just find that you're suddenly capable of thinking anything. Thanks for watching. If you want to explore more about how your brain shapes your reality, make sure to subscribe